Well, hello. Today I'm going to put 2 worm bins out of commission because I'm downsizing as of today. It's going to be my worm bucket and my kitty litter tower worm bin that I've built. So let's see what's going on in this diversity and inclusion worm bin. Excuse me, Ruby. A lot of paper for the worms to chow and munch on. This has a mixture of red wigglers, blue worms, and European night crawlers. But I will be adding more paper into here. But first of all, let's take a look at this worm bucket that I'm going to take all these worms out. This consists of red wigglers, blues, and European night crawlers. They made nice castings, nice flaky castings. These worms must be on the bottom of this bin. But let me put this paper in here. Excuse me, Ruby. Yeah, there's a few worms on the bottom of this. But let's go ahead and put these worms in this worm bin right here. Just going to dump it out. A nice healthy worm right here. If Ruby lets me show it to you. So the worms were not neglected. There's a nice healthy worm right there. Let me give this a love tap. See what's on the bottom. Go ahead and throw all these worms in there. Use my hands. These castings are wet down here. The worms are chilling in the basement, these basement worms. So what I'll do, I'll get the remainder of these worms out with my gloves on. Maybe not, since they're already dirty. I'm just going to finish up like this. But the remainder of the worms I'll take out in a minute. Give them some more cardboard, which was moistened down. Some cardboard, and I'll give them some worm chow in a couple of days. Let me get the other kitty litter worm bin taken out of commission. This is my homemade DIY or DIY or however you say it worm bin, do-it-yourself worm bin. But I had this one running for a couple months. Just a stackable system like a worm bin 360 or something like that. Worms have plenty of paper in this worm bin too. That paper is going to go in this one. Worms and all. The paper is really moist to a good consistency in this do-it-yourself worm bin. Sorry to bump you. I'm going to dump it all in there. This one has a lot of liquid in it. A few worms on the bottom. Didn't know if they were drowning or not. I'm going to go ahead and just pour it all on top of this worm bin too, because there's no holes in the bottom. So it will help with the moisture. Just pour this on like you would some gravy for your upcoming Thanksgiving meal. But as you can see, the worms did not drown. Thank God for that. So some stayed alive. But here we go. I'm going to just do it like this. Make sure no more worms are in here. Give it a love tap. And I'm going to just rinse these out with warm soapy water. And call these 2 worm bins out of commission. They did a great job, but downsizing must happen. So if you ever downsize, leave it in the comments box below. But thanks for watching. Here's another video.